In this lecture, we are going to learn how to implement a given logic function using multiplexer. Our problem here is to implement the logic function f equal to a x nor b xor c using 8x1 mux. The entire explanation of this lecture is given in the form of notes. The link is provided in the description. You can download the notes from the link. So here the output function is a x nor b xor c. We are considering abc as inputs. As you have x nor and xor gates here to be used, let us quickly remind the functionality of XOR and XNOR gates. We know that XOR is odd one detector and XNOR is even one detector. That is, for odd number of ones in the input side, output is 1 for XOR gate, and for even number of ones in the input side, output is 1 for XNOR gate. This is how it goes. For XOR gate, 0 XOR 0 is 0, 0 XOR 1 is 1, and 1 XOR 1 is 0. And for XNOR, which is exactly opposite to XOR, you have 0 XNOR 0 is 1, 0 XNOR 1 is 0, and 1 XNOR 1 is 1. Keeping this in mind, we'll write the truth table now. We know that in order to design any combinational circuit, the first step is to define the functionality and to write the truth table. We have the function with us, so we'll write the truth table. You have 3 inputs A, B, C, so there are 8 possible combinations 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. We have the inputs, we'll write the outputs. A XNOR B XOR C, 0 XNOR 0 XOR 0. That is 0 XNOR 0 is 1 and 1 XOR 0 is 1. This is how you will get the first output. Similarly, if you see the second output, 0 XNOR 0 is 1 and 1 XOR 1 is 0. This way you will fill the entire truth table. Once the truth table is ready, you can design the multiplexer easily. So in our problem, we are asked to design the circuit using 8 to 1 multiplexer. So we know that 8 to 1 multiplexer has 8 inputs and 3 selection lines. Here the functionality output from the truth table, this is 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0, is written at the input side and ABC are taken as the selection lines. We know that based on the selection lines, we'll get the output. So the question is why we have taken this ABC inputs as the selection lines. Generally, in the multiplexer concept, output depends on the selection lines. But here that is not the case. The output is depending on the input lines ABC. That is the reason why we have taken ABC as the selection lines. So ABC are the select lines and this is the input. Now let us consider one case. For example, 001. The value of 001 is 1. So the data at port 1, not at port 0, that is the data at port 1 appears at the output. So the value of f when the input is 001 is 0. This way you can implement any given logic circuit using the multiplexer.